Hello everybody. Today we're going to go over breadboards and how they work. Alright, so a breadboard, you usually see them like this. It's a white board with a bunch of holes in it. Usually there's a red, blue line on the tops of them. So what we use them for is for rapid prototyping. So if we have a schematic and we want to test it out, we're going to use a breadboard. And we use a breadboard with solid core wire, just so they go in the holes easy. The braided stuff, when you try and push them into those holes, it's not going to work, so you want to use a solid core wire. But the nice thing is all of the parts that we have a solid core tab to them. So like the chips we use, the LEDs, all those we can plug right in here. And I'm going to show you how we use them. So this first example here, we have the row right here. So this is a column. This column here is all connected. So each column is connected to themselves. And then we have up here, we have our power. This whole line is connected. Same with this one. So you have a power bar and a negative bar. And then if we just scroll over a little bit here, I could show you what it looks like if you were to take all the plastic off the top. You have these copper contacts on the bottom here. So basically, when you plug things into them, you can connect them. So let's look at an example here. So if I got the schematic, so we got, what do we know about the schematic? We got a 3-volt battery, we got 200 ohm resistors, and it's in parallel, right? So if I were to put this on our breadboard, it would just be like this. So I have this column here and this column. If I put the resistor across here and the resistor across here, these two are connected here, right? Because this is all one connected line. And then over here, this is all one connected line too. And that's how we could get that. So if we went up here again, right? So if I put, let's see, let me see if I can. Okay, so for instance, just to show you that these are all connected, right? So if I take this resistor off, if I scroll up here, all I'm doing really is just going like this. So you can see here that this is all connected here, it's connected here. And that's how we get that parallel action, because we're hooking one there, and then if I grab the second one here, I'm going to put it right with this one here. See, they're still connected through the tops here, so they're parallel. So that's just how a breadboard works. There's a bunch of cool ways you can use one. You have a trough that runs down the center of your breadboard right here. We can actually put chips in here, like your 555 timer will fit right here. It's got a lot of uses. I use them all the time for when I prototype. I break out a breadboard and I just kind of throw things together. So it's a very useful piece of technology. It's fun to play with. Have fun with it.